Nearly 4 out of 10 candidates who take the Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder exam don't pass on their first attempt. And it's rarely because the exam is too hard. It's because most people study the wrong things, memorizing features instead of understanding when to actually use them. If you want to walk into your exam knowing exactly how Salesforce thinks, stick around. In this video, you'll answer 5 realistic exam-style questions covering the core objectives of the Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder certification, including automation, data modeling, security, and record management. After each question, I'll break down not just the correct answer, but why the other options are traps. By the end of this video, you'll think like the exam wants you to think. Let's start with question 1. Question number 1. A company wants to automatically create a follow-up task whenever an opportunity is marked as closed won. Which Salesforce feature should be used? A. Validation rule. B. Flow. C. Formula field. D. Roll-up summary field. Correct answer, B. Flow explanation. Flow is Salesforce's go-to declarative automation tool. It can create records, update data, send notifications, and trigger actions the moment a condition is met, like an opportunity moving to close won. Think of it this way. If the requirement involves an action happening automatically, flow is almost always your answer. Validation rules only block bad data, formula fields only calculate, and roll-up summary fields only aggregate. None of them can create a new record. Question number 2. A Salesforce administrator wants child records to remain available even if the parent record is deleted. Which relationship type should be used? A. Master detail relationship. B. Lookup relationship. C. Hierarchical relationship. D. External lookup relationship. Correct answer, B. Lookup relationship. Explanation. Picture a contact linked to an account. If that account gets deleted, does the contact still need to exist independently? With a lookup relationship, yes, the child record survives on its own. Master detail is the opposite. Delete the parent, and the child goes with it. Whenever a question mentions records needing to remain independent or survive deletion, that's your signal to pick lookup. Question number 3. A business wants a field that automatically calculates a commission every time a record is viewed, without storing the value in the database. Which feature should be used? A. Formula field. B. Number field. C. Roll-up summary field. D. Approval process. Correct answer, A. Formula field explanation. The key phrase here is without storing the value. Formula fields calculate in real time every time the record loads, and nothing gets saved to the database, so the number is always current. A number field would store a static value that needs manual updates, which defeats the purpose. Question number 4. An administrator wants users to see only the records they own, unless additional sharing is configured. Which feature controls this default level of access? A. Record types. B. Page layouts. C. Organization-wide defaults. D. Validation rules. Correct answer, C. Organization-wide defaults. Explanation. Organization-wide defaults, OWD, set the baseline, the most restrictive level of access across the org. Set it to private, and users only see their own records unless you open things up further with role hierarchies, sharing rules, or manual sharing. This is one of the most heavily tested security concepts on the exam. So if you remember one thing from this video, remember this. OWD is the floor. Everything else builds access on top of it. Question number 5. A company wants to display the total amount of all related opportunity products directly on the opportunity record. Which Salesforce feature should be used? A. Formula field. B. Roll-up summary field. C. Validation rule. D. Approval process. Correct answer, B. Roll-up summary field explanation. Roll-up summary fields pull data from related child records across a master detail relationship and summarize it, totals, counts, minimums, maximums, automatically, with zero code. Since opportunity products relate to the opportunity through this kind of relationship, a roll-up summary field is the clean, declarative way to surface that total. Quick exam tip: don't try to memorize every Salesforce feature in isolation. Instead, train yourself to ask, what is this business actually trying to do? The Platform App Builder exam tests decision-making with real-world scenarios, not trivia. Once you understand the purpose behind each declarative tool, the correct answer usually stands out on its own. That's a wrap on today's Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder practice session. If these questions helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you catch our next certification practice video. For more Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder exam questions, in-depth explanations, full practice tests, and downloadable study guides, head over to ITExamsTopics. Links in the description below. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, consistency beats cramming every time. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder exam, and I'll see you in the next one.